Yes, you can change the currency in a Hostinger account, but there's an important detail you need to understand first. Hostinger usually detects your location automatically, so the currency you see is often based on the country your connection appears to come from. That means the easiest way to choose a different currency is to make sure you're connecting from the target region before you create the account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step, and I'll also share a few tips so you don't run into issues during checkout. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's begin. The first step is to decide which currency you want to use. For example, if you want US dollars, your connection should appear to come from the United States. If you want British pounds, it should appear from the UK. If you want Indian rupees, it should appear from India. Hostinger typically locks the billing currency based on the region you start from, so this part matters a lot. Next, connect through the correct location. If you're actually in the target country, that's perfect. If not, you can use a VPN and select a server in the country whose currency you want. Make sure the VPN is connected before you open Hostinger, because Hostinger may detect your region as soon as the site loads. This is the key step that helps route you to the right store and currency. Now open an Incognito or private browser window. This is important because regular browser sessions can keep old cookies, saved location data, or previous account details that may interfere with the currency detection. Using private mode gives you a cleaner start and reduces the chance of being redirected to the wrong version of the site. Once the private window is open, go to hostinger.com. After the page loads, Hostinger will automatically detect your location and usually show you the local storefront and currency associated with that region. If everything is set correctly, you should now see the pricing in the currency you want. From here, click Sign Up or choose a hosting plan to move forward with checkout. When you get to the account creation step, register using a different email address from any existing Hostinger account you already have. This is very important because creating a new account is the cleanest way to set billing in the new currency. If you try to reuse an old account, you may not get the results you want, because some settings are tied to the original region and billing history. Complete the purchase as usual once the payment goes through. Your new Hostinger account will use the selected currency for future billing and invoices. That means all upcoming charges on that account should remain in that currency, which makes pricing easier to manage and understand. A couple of quick tips before you finish. First, always double-check the currency shown on the checkout page before making payment. Second, keep your VPN location consistent during sign-up so the region doesn't change midway through the process. And third, remember that changing currency on an existing Hostinger account may not be as simple as switching a setting, which is why creating a new account is often the recommended approach. So yes, you can change currency in Hostinger, but the practical way to do it is by starting a new account from the region you want. That's what controls the billing currency for most users. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.